Hello guys, I greet you once again in the beautiful name of the Lord. So in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction of what a passing chord is. Okay, this is a tough topic to cover simply because we have unlimited number of passing chords on a keyboard. That's why I said I'm just going to give you guys an introduction of what a passing chord is. All right, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to the video. So on one key, we have different types of chords. All right. For example, we have a major chord, a minor chord, a diminished chord, an augmented chord, a major seventh, minor seventh, a dominant seventh, a suspended chord, an add chord, etc., etc. Okay. And every one of those chords that I just mentioned, they have inversions. So you can just imagine how many passing chords we can create from the chords that I just mentioned. Okay, let's just pick one chord from those ones. I'm gonna pick a C major chord. A C major chord. So a C major chord has a C major seventh, a C6, a C major 9, a C major 11, and it also has inversions. So you can just imagine how many passing chords we can create from only one chord. Okay, maybe you might be asking what a passing chord is. So a passing chord on a piano is a chord you slip between two main chords to make the movement smoother or more interesting. Right? So we're gonna pick a chord progression. We're gonna play Yeshua. Okay, I picked this song because it has a very simple chord progression. It starts right on number 4. Sorry, I'm only going to play the second part. Okay, our second part starts on number 4, an F major, second inversion. From here, from 4, it goes to 5. This is 5. A G sharp major, second inversion. From here, it's 6. Okay, it's 6. Our A sharp minor, second inversion. From here, we're gonna play 3. This is our number 3 on a major scale of the key of C sharp. It's built by F, a G major, and a C. Okay, I said it's 4, 5, 6, and 3. This is where it says Yeshua. Okay, we are going to try and and add a passing chord on our progression. Okay, we're gonna play 4 and then 5. Before we go to 6, we're gonna play an F major chord. This right here is our passing chord. An F major chord. From F major, we can go to our number 6 and then 3. F major chord is our passing chord. I'm gonna play it again. I said it's 4. Yeshua. Okay, immediately after playing 5, you go to F major and then 6 and then you play 3. All right, that's how we add a passing chord on a song. I'm going to give you guys an example again with the song Oh Be Lifted. Okay, it says Oh be lifted above all other gods. Okay, we're just going to take that part. It starts right on our number 1, a C major, first inversion. From here, it goes to number 1, root chord. And then our number 6, A sharp minor, second inversion. From here, it goes to 4. From 4, it goes to 5. Alright? It's 1, first inversion, a root chord, number 1 root, and then 6. Here, instead of playing, we're going to replace our number 4 with a G diminished chord. Okay? A G diminished chord. Instead of playing 4, we are going to play a G diminished chord and then go to 5. Okay? It's going to be 1, oh be lifted. And then we go to 6, and then a G diminished, and then 5. Okay? Our G diminished becomes our passing chord because our number 4 was our original chord before we go to 5, but we replaced it with a G diminished. So our a G diminished becomes our passing chord before we go to 5. I believe that makes sense. So I'm gonna play it one last time, and then I'm gonna end the video. So it's oh be lifted, and then 6 above, G diminished, the 5. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, guys, God bless you.